IGGSZQD keyboard has emerged as a standout player in the gaming gear industry with its exceptional 2,000-hour battery life. IGGSZQD keyboard features a black metal textured casing, complemented by mesmerizing RGB backlighting effects that showcase the high quality and professional standards of the ROG brand in every detail. With its blue mechanical switches, it provides outstanding tactile feedback and trigger response. Furthermore, the keyboard incorporates an impact-resistant design, supporting simultaneous key presses without conflicts, ensuring that you won't experience any misplaced keystrokes during intense gaming sessions. Additionally, it comes equipped with a set of multimedia control keys, allowing easy adjustment of volume, as well as pause divided by play functions for music playback. The keyboard also supports macro programming, enabling you to assign a series of complex actions to a single key, enhancing gaming efficiency and convenience. If you're seeking quality and performance in gaming gear, the IGGSZQD keyboard is unquestionably a choice that cannot be overlooked. The IGGSZQD-COMMUNITY keyboard is a wireless 3-mode mechanical keyboard that combines customization and powerful functionality, injecting a fresh vitality into your gaming and work experience. Each key of the IGGSZQD-COMMUNITY has an independent mechanical switch. You can feel the authentic key feedback and excellent trigger accuracy. With the user-friendly software, you can customize the function and triggering behavior of each key, create custom macros, quickly execute complex commands, and make your keyboard fully tailored to your work and entertainment needs. The COMMUNITY's multicolor backlighting feature is astonishing. With vibrant backlighting, you can adjust the backlight color and brightness according to your personal preferences, creating your own cool effects. It not only provides excellent visibility in dimly lit rooms, but also adds a stylish appearance to your keyboard. Enjoy enchanting lighting effects that immerse you in the world of gaming. Keychron Q6 offers a standard 108 key layout with PBT keycaps and a full aluminum CNC construction. It features vibrant RGB backlighting, enhancing the keyboard's visual appeal. The multimedia metal rotary knob allows for convenient volume adjustment and supports VI customization, enabling users to personalize their keyboard's functions effortlessly. The gasket structure enhances the keyboard's elasticity and stability, while effectively reducing key noise. Keychron Q6 also supports hot swappable key switches, allowing users to replace keys and adjust the keyboard layout according to their preferences. If you're in search of a reliable and versatile 108-key keyboard, the Keychron Q6 is definitely a great choice. KR081 is a mechanical keyboard that features an aluminum alloy construction, offering high durability and robustness. It comes with fully programmable RGB backlighting, allowing users to adjust colors and effects to create a vibrant atmosphere. The keyboard utilizes FR material, providing a crisp tactile feel during operation. The CNC process shell ensures high precision and a premium texture. The bottom of the keyboard is supported by silicone gel, enhancing stability. With support for wireless, Bluetooth, and USB connectivity, users can easily choose the most suitable mode based on their preferences and needs. This versatility allows for seamless operation of the keyboard. KR081 is a visually appealing and feature-rich mechanical keyboard, ideal for users who seek both high quality and personalization.